Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take your Jeep Grand Cherokee out of four-wheel drive low. To begin, always ensure your vehicle is completely stopped before attempting to shift out of four-wheel drive low. This prevents damage to your transfer case and ensures a smooth transition. Next, place your transmission into neutral. This crucial first step prepares your vehicle for the transfer case shift, making the process much easier and safer for your drivetrain. Once your Jeep Grand Cherokee is completely stopped and the transmission is in neutral, you can proceed with disengaging four-wheel drive low. Locate your transfer case selector. Firmly and smoothly shift the selector from four-wheel drive low to two-wheel drive. You might hear a slight clunk, which is normal. If it doesn't engage immediately, try rolling forward or backward just a few inches to align the gears. Sometimes, the transfer case might resist shifting out of four-wheel drive low. If this happens, try gently rolling the vehicle forward or backward a few inches while still in neutral. This can help align the internal gears, allowing for a smoother shift. Always check your dashboard for the four-wheel drive indicator light to confirm successful disengagement. If issues persist, refer to your Jeep Grand Cherokee's owner's manual for model-specific troubleshooting advice. Proper maintenance is key to a long-lasting four-wheel drive system. Regularly service your transfer case according to your vehicle's schedule to ensure optimal performance. Remember to avoid engaging four-wheel drive low on dry, hard surfaces, as this can cause unnecessary strain and damage to your drivetrain. And speaking of smart choices, there's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. Check the description below for a link to that book. The Simple Path to Wealth *, as well as other helpful deals and resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.